Currently, your advisor is hopefully greeting the customer at the vehicle, writing down the VIN and odometer, going back to his computer, and going through the process of getting the VIS report. With eAdvisor, he's going to greet the customer at the vehicle, plug the scan tool into the OBD2 port, and then engage with the customer. Within seconds, the tool will have pulled VIN, odometer, DTCs, oil life percentage, tire pressure readings, fuel level percentage, and wirelessly sent it back to the eAdvisor software at the advisor's PC. It then engages the exterior lights on the vehicle, enabling the advisor and the customer to do a thorough walkaround. You can see that it's also flashing the high beams. In the upper right-hand corner, you'll notice that the system has already begun printing the VIS report, a DTC report if there are any active or stored codes, a VIN-specific maintenance report, and others we'll review shortly. Now the advisor can simply escort the customer back to his desk, set the scan tool down, reach back to his printer, and immediately present scheduled maintenance. This will be in the severe schedule for GM in previous, current, and future mileage intervals, along with any other dealer recommendations you wish to add. The advisor will be able to accurately begin the RO by simply one-clicking the VIN directly into your DMS.